Hi everyone, welcome to Finance Marketplace. This section converses what the terms of the fixed income securities market and how it works in real time and in what way it impacts the economy of the country. Let's look at what is it about fixed income securities markets means. The FIS market is usually referred to as the bond market, which consists of securities issued by the governments, other state entities and corporates. However, in this video, the main focus would be on treasury bond market and the other corporate bonds will be discussed in a later video. Further, the bond market is largely referred to as a capital market as it provides long-term capital financing ability for the issuers. Generally, the government securities are perceived as less risky investments than equity investments. Hence, it typically offers lower potential returns. However, its unique trading ability will pave the way for investors to yield significant price gains with trading positions. As a conservative investment, the government securities have stood for decades as stronghold of safety even in turmoil of the financial markets. The Central Bank of Sri Lanka's assurances that stand behind government securities are indeed regarded as one of the main foundations of the domestic economy, and in turn it inspired to both individual and corporate investors for many decades. The greatest advantage of government securities is unconditionally backed by Sri Lankan government. However, even government securities could have some risk in theoretical sense. Ongoing country's economic distress could be testing time to this effect. Treasury bonds are issued by the Central Bank of Sri Lanka through an auction using a competitive bidding process, and the debt obligation is backed by the government. Only primary dealers are allowed to participate in the bidding process. However, treasury bonds can be purchased from the secondary market through primary dealers at any time. For the purpose of settlement, the resident investors are permitted to settle through their own bank accounts, whilst for non-residents are allowed to open a IIA account with a licensed commercial bank in Sri Lanka. A securities account has to be opened for purpose of title registrations with Central Depository System (CDS), and which could be opened through a primary dealer company, and security allocation will validate in real time and could even be viewed through the online portal if the investors are obtained such facilities. The coupon interest will be paid in once in 6 months, and maturity proceed will also be credited on due dates to the investors' bank accounts to the respective primary dealer company. In the secondary bond market, there are large volumes of bonds has been traded. The bond prices drop when interest rates rise and vice versa. The treasury bond rates recorded highest ever jump in recent past compared to a year ago in the same period, which is over 30% of 5-year treasury bond maturity. One of the main responsibilities of Public Debt Department of Central Bank of Sri Lanka is to provide accurate and timely important information on borrowings. The report of Public Debt Department lists the types of debt issued and the total amount outstanding which is held by the public and other counterparts. The total amount of outstanding was LKR 8,000 billion in size to date and expected to add more through new issues during the year 2022. With this brief note, let me conclude this video, and in my next video I will discuss about the capital market along with its financial instruments in detail. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.